Section 1. The Almighty Dollar. Tracked from birth to grave. Every dollar bill begins its life in a high-security government facility, where sheets of currency are meticulously printed, inspected, and prepared for circulation. The Federal Reserve knows where every dollar is. Well, almost. Each bill is assigned a unique serial number, allowing it to be tracked from the moment it rolls off the press. They know when and where each bill is printed, which facility produced it, and even which batch it came from. This data is logged and monitored to ensure accuracy and prevent counterfeiting. From there, the money is distributed to banks across the country, transported in armored trucks, and scanned into digital systems that track its movement through the financial ecosystem. But once a dollar leaves the bank and enters our wallets, it's anyone's guess where it will go next. It could buy a coffee, be tucked into a birthday card, or travel across the country in someone's pocket. Still, the journey of a dollar bill, from a nondescript piece of paper to a symbol of American commerce, is a fascinating one. It's a story of design, control, and the unpredictable paths of everyday life. Section 2. The recipe for a dollar. More than just paper. When we think of money, we often picture numbers, value, and transactions. But have you ever stopped to wonder what a dollar bill is actually made of? What lies beneath the green ink and intricate designs? What gives a dollar its physical form? It's not your average paper. In fact, it's something far more sophisticated. Despite being called paper money, US currency isn't made from wood pulp like typical paper. It's actually crafted from a unique blend of materials. Specifically, it's composed of 75% cotton and 25% linen, a formula that's been used for decades. This special blend gives the dollar its signature feel, slightly rough yet durable, and allows it to withstand the rigors of daily use. Unlike regular paper, which tears easily and degrades quickly, this fabric-like material is designed to last. It resists tearing, fraying, and even water damage better than standard paper. That's no accident. It's engineered for endurance. Think about how many times a single dollar bill changes hands in its lifetime, from cashiers to customers, from wallets to vending machines. It needs to be tough to survive all those transactions, and this cotton linen blend ensures it can. So next time you hold a dollar, remember, it's more than just paper. It's a carefully crafted tool of commerce. Section 3. Hidden secrets. Spotting a fake dollar. Ever wonder how to spot a counterfeit bill? Look closely at a dollar. You'll notice intricate details designed to deter counterfeiting. One key feature is the watermark. Hold the bill up to the light and you'll see a faint image of the president on the bill. Another security measure is the 3D security ribbon. Tilt the bill and you'll see the image on the ribbon move and change. Section 4. From sketch to plate. The art of making money. Before a dollar bill ever sees a printing press, it starts as a design. Artists create intricate illustrations, often featuring iconic American landmarks and figures. These designs are then meticulously engraved onto steel plates. Engraving is a precise art form, and the detail on these plates is astounding. Each line, curve, and figure will be transferred to the final bill. The printing process itself is a marvel of engineering. First, the paper is fed through massive printing presses. Ink is applied to the engraved plates, transferring the design to the paper with incredible precision. Next, the bills go through a series of steps to add color and security features. The Treasury Department uses special inks that are difficult to reproduce. This helps prevent counterfeiting. Each bill needs a unique identifier. That's where serial numbers come in. During the printing process, each bill is assigned a unique combination of letters and numbers. This helps track the bill and prevents counterfeiting. Finally, each bill receives its official seals from the Treasury Department and the Federal Reserve. Now, it's ready to enter circulation. Once printed, the bills are carefully inspected for any flaws. Machines and trained professionals examine each bill, ensuring only perfect currency makes it into circulation. The sheets of bills are then cut into individual notes and stacked for distribution. These stacks are packaged and shipped to banks across the country, ready to be dispensed to customers. The euro, the currency of the Eurozone, undergoes a similar yet distinct process. Like the dollar, the euro isn't made from ordinary paper. It's made from pure cotton fiber, which gives it a unique feel and durability. The cotton fiber used for euro banknotes is sourced from different countries within the Eurozone, making it a true symbol of European unity. The euro boasts its own set of security features to combat counterfeiting. One key feature is the watermark. Hold a euro note up to the light and you'll see a faint image of the architectural design featured on the bill, along with the denomination. Another security measure is the security thread embedded in the paper. Hold the bill up to the light and you'll see a dark line running through it. This thread contains micro-lettering with the denomination of the note. The printing process for euros mirrors that of the dollar in many ways. It involves intricate designs, engraved plates, and high-speed printing presses. However, the euro incorporates a unique security feature, a color-shifting number. Tilt the bill and you'll see the denomination printed on the back of the note change color. This effect is difficult to replicate, making it an effective deterrent against counterfeiting. Just like with US dollars, quality control is paramount in euro production. Sophisticated machines and trained inspectors scrutinize each note. They're checking for any imperfections in printing, cutting, or the application of security features. Only flawless notes make it into circulation. Once the euros pass inspection, they're bundled into stacks, wrapped, and shipped to national central banks across the Eurozone. From there, they're distributed to commercial banks and eventually make their way into the hands of consumers. The journey of a euro, from a simple cotton fiber to a symbol of European unity, is a testament to the power and importance of currency in our world. The next time you hold a dollar or a euro in your hand, pause for a moment. Look closely. What may seem like just a piece of paper is actually a masterpiece of design, technology, and security. Every line, every color, every shimmer has a purpose. These seemingly ordinary notes are embedded with microprinting, watermarks, holograms, and color-shifting inks. Features designed not just to impress, but to protect. Behind the scenes, high-speed printing presses operate with astonishing precision, churning out thousands of notes per minute, each one identical to the last. Technicians and engineers work in ultra-secure facilities, using cutting-edge equipment to ensure every note meets exacting standards. It's a blend of art and science. And while we may not always think about it, these notes pass through our hands every day. At the grocery store, the gas station, or the ATM. They connect us to a vast global network of trade and trust. In every transaction, they carry not just value, but the legacy of innovation and the promise of stability.